So we had to change. This is a standard car. This is not an automatic. So we had to change the clutch. So we had to take out the tranny. We had to take out half of the exhaust and the drive shaft so we can take out the tranny and the clutch. We already put in the new clutch. We're just putting the car back together now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to put the transmission in, and then we're gonna have to put the drive shaft in, and then we're gonna have to connect the rest of the parts back in, and then it's good to go.
Okay, great. How long do you think something like this would take to put your trans in?
So this is the third day we've been doing this.
Oh, okay.
So, maybe about 3 hours, 4 hours to do everything in one day.
Right.
Maybe about that.
Okay, great. And why are you doing a replacement?
Because the clutch worn out, so
Oh, I
change
see.
it. Wasn't good, so we
Right.
had to change it. It was worn out.
What kind of clutch is this? Is it like a standard clutch or?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the old one right here.
Oh, let me see. Oh, look at that, eh? Oh, yeah. Great. Excellent. Well, thanks very much, guys. Very interesting.